Hey everybody, Chris here with the Kermode Overland, and I'm just at the shop right now. I have a little bit of a lull in the moment from the chaos over the last months. We've been selling and installing all kinds of camper and overlanding products, and we've been extremely busy. I just wanted to give an update from the shop as we're constantly expanding and bringing in new products for camping, overlanding, truck and car accessories. Just to give you a quick little tour of the shop here we've been working on. So we have all kinds of new roof platforms for all makes and models of trucks, Toyota, Tacomas, 4Runners, Rangers, and we've got all types of truck racks all in stock, ones that adjust, good for kayaks, roof tents, low profile to keep your tents below the cab, adjustable overlanding racks you can mount things like traction boards to, and water showers or recovery gear. A more robust overland pod system. We have them in large and medium size for Tacomas, Jeep Rangers, heavy duty truck bed racks. This is one of our best selling tents, the Summit series. It's aluminum shelled scissor lift clamshell roof tent, sets up in like less than 2 minutes. And here's the shop over here. We've got rotomold storage boxes available in 175, 110 and 90 liters with brackets you can mount. And check out some of our other products here, like some of our roof tents and racks. And there's a Ridgeline. We got compact roof tents for Jeeps and small SUVs. We got all types of awnings in, lots of crossbars, every style of roof you can imagine and width we have all in stock. Check out some of our inventory here. We've been selling new tonneau covers for trucks and Jeeps, and all new line of aluminum truck canopies that are popular. We got over here, we got some roof shower systems, some of our awnings, crossbars, rotomold jerry cans, some roof platforms. They go great with Jeeps, with the gutter mount systems. We have crossbars for Jeep Wranglers, Gladiators that mount to the gutters. And we've got these electric coolers right here, traction boards, solar panels, wheel tables, farm jacks. We got these new water hose reels and air hose reels that are awesome to mount to your vehicle. We got some porta potties, cooking grill, got some recovery gear. We got battery jump starters, LED lights. We got down-filled throw blankets, sleeping bags. We got these nice new awning brackets, and we've got these personal pop-up single awning, or little tents, I should say. They're like a little personal tents you can pop up. Those are only $50 on clearance right now. We got these new little quality, larger roof carriers that mount onto your vehicle. They're really good design. I'm really stoked about these this year. You'd pay like 3 times more with the Yakima or Thule, but these things are really great quality. So check us out. We're up at 2620 South Forks in Nanaimo by appointment. We do installation. We can install canopies, whatever you need. Come check us out.